Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of disable the account on the application of Calm. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Calm app and you can click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click on clear data because that can delete your account as you see here. So don't click on clear data, click just on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.